clinched.
The Giants did win 6-4.
Michael.
Yeah, I can't get through it.
Michael, is Caleb clinched?
Control. I just kind of walk around a little bit. Check some things.
It's gonna take a while.
Bro, why are you putting that in your pocket, man?
The what pocket?
He's not gonna miss it.
Miss what?
Nothing.
Nothing.
They're not getting married. What are you talking about?
What? Now, okay, you know what I hate? I hate when people say something, but then they don't, but
Because
they're not saying the truth. Okay, so you said they're getting married, and then,
They're not. I'm going to.
so just tell us, are you ashamed to have us there?
No. Because they're not getting married. Whatever.
You're supposed to be proud that they tied the knot. Living in sin all this time.
I know.
Man, had a shutout.
I meant, you should be happy he's gonna marry his high school sweetheart.
Very little people marry.